Let's take a look at the Team Thunder Schoology page, which we will call the Thunder Hub. All Thunder students will be joining this course during the first week of school, and you even have the access code here, which will be what the students use to get into the course. When you go into Schoology, you will click on the Courses tab and choose the Thunder Hub. Once inside of the Thunder Hub, the materials are mostly organized in folders. So sitting right here at the top is something that will be used quite often. Most students will probably use this daily. Each folder can be expanded here, and you can see a list of what's in it, or you can click into the folder itself. And for these calendars, that's actually the view that you would probably want. And you will be able to see each class calendar as you scroll down this page. Nothing's obviously filled in at this point, but whether you're in the A group, the B group, or online, you will see your calendars, your week at a glance for every single course. So that is a folder that both students and parents will probably want to be taking a look at quite often. And we will model those expectations in Life Ed class and do a lot of practice with that at school as well. We have a folder with our family orientation information, which is what we are going over here. You can get into the teacher contact folder to get our phone numbers and emails. We have a link here for ordering your team t-shirt. September 14th is your deadline for this year. Late work and digital late slips. You can get in there for the form and some information related to that we'll be going over in this orientation presentation as well. So each folder can be expanded and you can kind of see what's inside. So we have some helpful links. We have our links for social media, and the daily announcements is empty at this point, but we will be posting the announcements that are done every day each morning at Walden. Those will be posted here in Schoology. And then finally, we want to mention the way that we'll be pushing out updates. If you click on the Park Hill icon in the top left corner, okay, that will take you back to your choice of 2 tabs. You might land on the course dashboard, although I think most Schoology accounts are set to recent activity. And your teachers will be using this area to post team updates. So right now you see some of my updates, but your updates will be specific to the classes that you are enrolled in. And since the Thunder Hub will be one of those, that's how we will push out reminders to the team. So this kind of operates like a news feed where you can scroll through and see the recent announcements from different instructors. So we definitely want to make sure that we are taking a look at that recent activity so that we don't miss any important updates.